The LightCheck Inspector 920 is the one-tool solution for your trailer inspections and maintenance for advanced roll stability ABS. This is the only trailer tester on the market that combines testing the trailer air systems, electrical systems, and ABS with complete diagnostics. Thus, a frustrating and time-consuming job becomes a much easier one-person job in less time. All three ABS manufacturers, Bendix, Haldex, and Meritor Wabco, have provided operating codes to LightCheck for incorporation in the Inspector ABS operation. Thus, the LightCheck Inspector will automatically identify the ABS type and proceed to display faults and other information from the ECU with a single touch of a key. ABS operation depends on a reliable air system and electrical system for proper operation. In fact, many of the ABS issues are air and electrical problems. A dependable, regulated air supply at 110 psi is required to perform a brake inspection with the full function remote control. A trailer air system leak down test is simple with the press of a button with an accurate air loss reading. 12-volt power from a battery or the dependable LightCheck Model 311R regulated power supply is required to operate the inspector. The inspector constantly monitors the power with operating voltage and will prevent testing with low voltage. With the inspector, the only required trailer connections are the 7W cables and air lines. The inspector takes on the task of identifying and displaying the information on the 4-line display. The full-function remote control is important to verify individual lamp operation and to observe brake operation, which is important for proper ABS operation. Review other LightCheck videos available on the LightCheck website. The following inspector screens demonstrate the ABS operation using Tester 4 keys. The display will show voltage available for operation. If the voltage is less than 10.5, a low power message will appear and needs to be corrected. Any trailer operation may be performed. This video will focus on ABS diagnosis. As a part of the ABS test, a complete air leak test of the trailer emergency and service air systems should be performed. By pressing the ABS button, the first step is to verify the brake circuit is working properly. Next, the auxiliary circuit is checked for operation. In case of either the brake or auxiliary showing a fail, the ABS routine will halt and return to the beginning screen. The failing circuit must then be repaired before proceeding with ABS operation. The tester has detected a power line carrier signal verifying ABS electronic control module exists and is responding to the inquiry. The ECU manufacturer will be identified in the next display. This ECU sample is a Bendix TABS6 Advanced Single Channel. ECU data is being retrieved, which will take 10 to 30 seconds depending on the manufacturer and the amount of information stored in the ECU memory. The Bendix is a 2-sensor, 1-module system with the cab light on. The cab light on message verifies a signal is being sent to the cab via the auxiliary wire. There are 2 active faults and the ABS warning lamp should be on. To read the active faults, press the select key. The top half of the menu is displayed. The View Active Fault is selected and the first active fault will be displayed by pressing the select key. The fault message will be using common terms developed by the industry. The technician must be familiar with the terms and especially with his specific ABS manufacturer. The information displayed in the fault may be required by the manufacturer for warranty return. Press the down key to see the second fault. Press the up key to return to the first fault. Press the select key to see the manufacturer's recommended repair procedure. The ABS manufacturer's recommended repair procedure is displayed. Press the down key to review the complete procedure. When completed, press back to return to the fault description. Press the back key to return to the menu. We are back to the menu, and by pressing the down key, a new subject can be selected. Press the down key to review the stored faults. Continue to press the down key to select clear faults. Either active or stored faults can be chosen, and by pressing the select key, the faults will be removed from the ECU. By pressing the back key, you can return to the menu. Selecting the mileage will display the trip and odometer mileage on the ECU. This is the mileage recorded by the ECU, which may not be the actual trailer mileage if the ECU is replaced or if the ECU was not powered up with the auxiliary circuit during operation. Return to the menu with the back key. Selecting the ECU voltage will display the supply voltage from the tester and the actual voltage existing at the ECU. Whenever the supply voltage is less than 12 volts, the ABS operation becomes marginal. The ECU voltage requirement is 8 volts. A large difference between the supply and the ECU voltage is a result of excessive line resistance, such as poor connections or a small gauge wire. Press the back key to return to the menu. Press the select key for ECU configuration. In this case, the tester is reading a Bendix TABS6 and is also displaying the vehicle identification number. ECU identification is dependent upon the manufacturer and if the information such as the VIN was installed at the time of configuration. In this case, the serial number is not available. Special functions include the wheel speed, in this case, and future features provided by the ABS manufacturer, such as tire inflation and other trailer sensors. By pressing the back key twice, the screen display will return to the trailer test. As an additional benefit to the user, future ABS software upgrades will be available on the LightCheck webpage for downloading into the tester. If you have questions or you need more information, call 509-535-7512 or 800-343-8579.